Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I received your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am, both.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, ma'am, 100%.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Yes, I'm healthy, ma'am.
If you are unhealthy, better stay in the Philippines, okay? Don't give us
Yes, ma'am.
trouble. Don't give trouble to your agency in Philippines and here also, okay? So if you feel
Yes,
unwell, then better stay in the Philippines, okay?
yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Okay. I'm Jennifer Clara Rivera, and I'm 37 years old. I'm applying domestic helper in Malaysia, and I have three kids. And I want to work in Malaysia because I have uh, experience in another country, and I want to experience myself another working in abroad. And I want to know what is the kind of people there, ma'am.
Okay. So, Jennifer, I need to know some few more details from you first. Do you have passport?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you single mother, single with live-in partner, or married?
I am married, ma'am.
When is your birthday?
June 12, 1987.
June 12.
1987.
What is your height and your weight?
5, 5 feet, and then my is 100 labs.
Sorry?
100, ma'am. My centimeter. And then 52, 5'2" my height.
5'2",
5 flat.
your height and your weight is how much?
5 flat, ma'am, my height.
And your weight? How many kg?
58 kilo.
Sorry?
58 kilo. 58 kilo.
58. What is your religion?
Christian.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
High school graduate. So you mentioned that you got three kids. How old are those children?
My eldest daughter is 20 years old. My second son is 18 years old. And then my youngest daughter is 11 years old.
Okay, so who will going to take care of these children once you come to work here?
My husband.
Is your husband allow you to come and work here?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is he and what is his occupation?
42 years old, and his occupation is construction worker.
How many brother and sister do you have?
I have three sister and then one brother.
What is
I
your
I'm the
ranking?
I'm the
Sorry?
eldest. I'm the eldest.
What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My father is already died, and then my mother is retired caddy in Manila Southwoods Golf Country Club, and she's 60 years old.
You mentioned that you have a working experience in other countries. In which part of the country is it?
KSA, ma'am. Al Hufu, the province.
Okay, so how many years did you finish your contract there?
2.5 years.
Okay, so what year did you started working there and what year did you finish?
April 18, 2014, and then I finished, ma'am, June and 2017.
After 2000, okay, so can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA? What are your primary duties there?
I cleaning, ma'am. I cook, and then I care 5 years old boy.
You do cooking, laundry, and ironing?
Yes, ma'am. All.
So, 2014 until 2017, 2 years and how many months you work there?
2 years and 6 months.
Okay. So, 2014, what month, huh?
June, ma'am.
June.
April, ma'am. Yeah, April, ma'am, and then April, May, June, July, August. October, ma'am, my end.
Sorry, can you repeat again?
My start, ma'am, is April 18, 2014, and then my end is Uh, October and 2017.
October what?
October 28.
2017. Okay, so after
Yes, ma'am.
2017, do you have any working experience as a housemaid or what? Any working experience?
Nothing na, ma'am. Just I
So,
apply.
so 2018 until recently, you are a full-time mother, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So, you've been stuck in the Philippines for almost 8 years, almost 8 years. So, do you think that you can still handle your homesickness later once it strikes you?
Yes, ma'am. I ready myself to alone with my but not little. That's why I'm willing to go abroad. I explained to my daughter that I want to go abroad to support the college. Now, ma'am, I have two college this year, ma'am.
Okay.
And
So, you need to be multitasking is you need to be flexible, same like what you did in KSA, okay? The big
yes,
culture shock also because KSA and Malaysia is quite different. Culture is also quite different, right? So, are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am. I'm a hardworking. Uh,
Are you
uh,
okay to take care children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
yes, ma'am. Yes,
Can you
I'm
take
willing.
care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
I cook, ma'am.
What variety of cuisine you can prepare?
If my employer asking me to cook, and then I want to tell that, yes, ma'am. Can you teach me how to cook and what I cook?
Okay, what foods you can prepare now?
If my employer said that okay, you cook anything that I want to learn, ma'am. I asking my employer what to cook, and then what she suggests, and then I cook, ma'am. For babies or for okay to me, ma'am.
Okay, so can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how many years you need to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. 2 years.
Yes. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you can easily go back home. Your contract is not 2 days, it's not 2 weeks, it's not 2 months, and it's not 1 year. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Any breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer, and at the same time, the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, usage of mobile handphone. You are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. If you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
Yeah, we just wanted to be specific here in our initial interview. It's either you agree, then it's okay, you can come, just don't give us any problem. If you disagree with our terms and regulations, better stay in the Philippines. We don't force people also to come here. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. I agree.
So normally, how will you gonna handle your homesickness?
Before, ma'am, I go to Malaysia, I will tell to my daughter and then to my husband that I will going to message him after my work and then before my work.
Yeah, always remind yourself why you wanted to go abroad. You wanted to
Yes, ma'am.
sustain your family's needs, okay? In Philippines, we
Yes,
can do whatever we want, but here in other countries, here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations. We need to respect the employer, their culture, okay? Any concerns, any problems, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
yes, ma'am.
I
Thank
think
you.
that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so
Have a
much and
nice
have a good day.